Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of PyRevolution. So on this Matplotlib tutorial we're going to cover some basic 2D plots. So we have gone over how to draw a plot, now we'll just go over the different types. So before that let's just import the libraries. So we have Matplotlib as PLT, Matplotlib inline, and we'll be using NumPy and NumPy's random function. Instead of going too much in detail into that, I'll make a separate tutorial for NumPy. For now, let's focus on Matplotlib. First of all, we have the line plot. So we take in linspace, we'll make an exponential plot. So A will be our domain, B will be our y-axis, and then we show the plot. Simple line plot. As you have seen, nothing too complicated. Next is our histogram. So for histogram, we're using numpy.random's normal function, which we have over here. So we can get a normal distribution function of 200 points, and we put those 200 points on a histogram, and we separate out these points by bins of 30. So we look at this, and we can see all our 200 points in this bins of size 30 on histogram. Next up, we have a scatter plot. If you like linear regression, I'm sure you'll be seeing this a lot. So A and B are same NumPy's random function rand. So we have 100 random numbers for A and B, and we just scatter A with B, and we have a basic scatter plot. Finally, we have polar. So for our polar, we take in our radius from 0 to 3 in steps of 0.01, because as you know, for polar coordinates, radiuses go from 0 to 2 pi. We have our theta, which is 2 pi r. So we're using NumPy's pi to get the most accurate pi value we can get hold of. Now here's the interesting bit. So usually when we have a subplot, everything is in Cartesian coordinates. We can actually specify coordinates over here. So over here we have projection polar. You can look up the Matplotlib documentation to find other type of projections other than Cartesian and polar. We plot as if we are making a regular line plot, theta versus r. We just color the line red and change the line width to 3, and we change our max radius to 2, and voila, we have our polar coordinate circle, this cool spiral line. So that's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial I will teach you about 3D plots. Till then, have fun.